Tip Thursday. So today we're going to be talking fresh blends, or Welbilt. On this particular piece of equipment, there are a couple things that are super important to pay attention to while you are completing a PM. So I had just finished a PM on both of these units, and while completing this one of the things to really pay attention to while you're cleaning this machine, because part of that PM is cleaning the actual blending area and making sure that the blade is in good repair, and we'll go over the blade at another time. I gotta find a bad one first. But then there's two super important things. This magnet right here, if that's not present, or you're starting to see all of the sealant come out of there, this is going to cause a problem. So what this magnet does is it monitors the door, so the machine uses its reed switches to watch for this magnet to know that the door is closed. Once it knows that door is closed, it'll allow the blender to actually blend. So if you ever have a machine where you're like, hey, my machine's not blending, I'm not getting drinks. Well, one thing that can cause that is if you don't have it all the way back. So you can see right here, it's not all the way back, it needs to be fully clicked in. The other side of it is if that magnet's missing. So two very possible things. Now, there are more magnets on this particular unit. So on our shuttle, we'll pull him out. On the bottom, this is supposed to have magnets all the way through it. And you can see all of those holes. So these magnets help with both the positioning, telling the machine where this shuttle is located, and in addition to that, actually locking on to the motor itself. So when I put this in, you'll see it truly has a home that it wants to go to, but it's not very solid. Like, we're all over the place. So part of doing a PM is paying attention to details like this, because this is the kind of stuff where you can open a call and then get yourself a new shuttle with all of the magnets. Shocker. And then it should lock into its home. Now there is one more step before you just say, ooh, this is all done and everything's good to go. One, you want to make sure you sanitize it. We don't know where it's been. It was in our warehouse. It came to our warehouse from somewhere, so take the 5 minutes to sanitize it. But the other side of it is we put a new shuttle in, so now we need to calibrate it for where it lives. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. I'll probably shoot a little video on how to calibrate one of these, and I'll show that shortly. So watch for another video, another good old Tech Tip Thursday, and you can see how I calibrate a shuttle for a Welbilt Fresh Blends machine. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.